Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss BRF questions for 2024 paper. What do you mean by contract? What is the meaning of partnership? What is a contract of indemnity? Who is a sub-agent? What is the meaning of quasi-contract? State two difference between a contract of guarantee and indemnity. Who is unpaid seller? What is a cyber law? What is a cyber crime? State 2 remedies for a breach of contract. State 2 difference between offer and acceptance. These are for 2 marks. For 5 marks, explain the essential of valid contract. What is the breach of contract and explain its ways. What are the features of bailment? What are the difference between indemnity and guarantee? What are the types of partnership? What are the objectives of Information Act? What are the features of limited liability in partnership? What are the difference between offer and acceptance? Now for 10 marks, what are the remedies for breach of contract? What are the rights and liabilities of a partner? What are the rights and liabilities of an agent? What are the rights and duties of a bailer? Define contract of sale and explain its essentials. No consideration, no contract. Discuss. What are the rights of unpaid seller? So these for 10 marks. In next video we are going to discuss case study. Thank you.